Hello guys and girls, today we're looking at converting from fractions into percentages. Okay, so the idea of this video is that you'll be able to take a fraction and turn it into a percentage. Okay, the key thing with this is understanding that all fractions are divided by and just the top divided by the bottom. Okay, so the first example we're going to do is a half. Okay, and the procedure to turn that half into a percentage is to take the top, divide it by the bottom, and then times it by 100. Okay, and that's because, as you can see here in this percent grid, there are 100 boxes in the whole one. Okay, there are 100 little percents for every one thing that you're counting. Okay, so I take my 1, I divide it by 2. I could do that in my head or on my calculator, and I get 0.5. Then I take that 0.5 times it by 100, so 1 decimal place, 2 decimal places, put an extra 0, and now the decimal place is at the end of that green line, so I would just end up with 50. I've got to put my little percent symbol on the back to say that it's 50%, not 50 whole things. Okay, and that's question 1 done. Hopefully there'll be a bit of intuition that that works, because half of the grid, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that I've coloured and shaded in yellow, shady, is the same as 50 out of 100, or half. Okay? My next example is, I'll take a little bit of a harder one, and we'll do 2 1/4. Okay, so for example, 2 and 1/4. Okay, now 2 1/4. Well, first of all, let's just break that up into its 2 parts. We'll look at the 2 first, and then the quarter. Okay, now 2 wholes has to be 200%. Okay, so 2 wholes and 1/4 is going to be 200%, and whatever 1/4 is as a percentage. So to work out my quarter as a percent, I just take 1 divided by 4, top divided by bottom. Okay, 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. You can do that on your calculator. Times that by 100, and I get 25%. Okay, so I've got my 200, which is 2, and my 25%. Add them together, and I get 225. Sorry, there should be a 5, not a 2. 225%. Okay, and we're done. Hopefully that was helpful. Main thing is just to remember the procedure. Top divided by bottom. You can do that on your calculator, and then times by 100%. Later, Gators.